Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to study metric measures of CBSE board class 4th standard lesson. So we will be starting the lesson in detail. So first we will move with the what exactly in this lesson they are going to teach. The first point, in metric measures, they will be teaching regarding the basic units that we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, like for measuring the length, first basic unit, okay, that we are using in day-to-day life. Okay, first that is in length. For length, we are using generally kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay, and for weight, we are using kg, then gram, then milligram. Okay, these are the 3 units we are using. And for the capacity, we will be using liter, okay, then milliliter. Okay, these are the main basic unit that we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, so now we have to move that what is the relationship between the meter and kilometer, centimeter and meter, millimeter and centimeter. Similarly, in kilogram to gram, and milligram to gram, and liter and milliliter. Okay, likewise we have to study in detail. Okay, so length we are using like when we are moving to any shop, so we are just asking for them like just give me 2 meter of cloth. Okay, and we can't ask like that, give 2 kg of cloth like that. Okay, so some things that have to buy in using that have to buy by using some units only. Okay, we can't say that give 2 liter of cloth. Okay, so we have to use, in that case, just we have to use the like give 2 meter of cloth like that. Okay, so now we will be moving how we have to convert this length, weight, and capacity. So we first we will be moving with this length concept. Generally, we are having while measuring the length, we are having the concept like that. Length is in middle. Okay, so higher one, which quantity it is coming, and lower one, which quantity it is coming. Okay, so length is coming in middle one. That is, sorry, for the length we are having the meter in middle one. Then we are having the decimeter. Okay, and then we are having the centimeter, and then we are having the millimeter. Okay, this is the lower term. Okay, these are the lower term. Okay, and likewise in the higher term we will be having the decameter. Okay, that is in DAM, and then we are having the hectometer, and then we are having the kilometer. Okay, at last. Okay, so these are the higher term. Okay, so these 4 okay, these 3 are the higher terms and these are the lower term, and in middle we are having the meter concept. Now whenever we are just, everyone can't keep the formulas of 1 meter equals to how many centimeter and 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters. Okay, so one trick I am just giving here, you have to just keep it in mind. Okay, so like just I'm mentioning in having some distance so that it will be visible to you. Meter, then we are having the decimeter, then we are having the centimeter, and then we are having the millimeter. Okay, and then we are having the decameter, then we are having the hectometer, and then we are having the kilometer. Okay, so whenever just move, when we are moving from higher to lower term, okay, kilometer we are using for the larger distance. Okay, then lesser than this kilometer we are having the hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So when we are moving from higher to lower, we'll just move like this. Okay, so just we are giving multiply by 10, 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 then multiply by 10. Okay. And when we are just moving from lower to higher one, so we just divide by 10. Okay. So just divide by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10, and divided by 10. Okay. So likewise, we have to keep it in mind. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay. Just keep this in mind so that next question that we are going to solve, that will be easy to understand. Generally, in textbook, they are saying that formula that we have to keep it in mind. Okay. So like 1 kilometer. Okay. How the formula coming is now, just see, 1 kilometer is equals to, now see here, the distance between the kilometer and meter we are having. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, and multiply by 10. So 3 times we have multiplied with the 10. So 1 kilometer equals to how many meter? That will be 1000 meter. Okay. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, and multiply by 10. Now next coming, how many meter equals to how much centimeter? So 1 meter is equals to, now centimeter coming to the same, 2 times 10 is multiplied. So 110 into 110. So that will be 100 centimeter. Next coming to how many centimeter equals to millimeter? 1 centimeter equals to how much millimeter? So 1 time 10 only multiply. So that will be 10 millimeter. Okay. Now talking regarding the hectometer, decameter, and decimeter. Okay. These 3 units we are not using in our day-to-day life. So we will just neglect that one. So we are just considering only kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. So I will just drop this one and I will just draw the diagram like that. Okay. So in this corner, I will just skip it in so that it will be easy to solve that question. Okay. So here I will be having meter, then it is centimeter, and then millimeter. Okay. And then I will be having the kilometer. Okay. So kilometer multiply by 100,000. Okay. And then meter, it will be multiplied with the 100. Okay. And then centimeter, it will be multiplied by 10. Similarly, it will be divided by 10, and then it will be divided by 100, and then it will be divided by 1000. Okay. So just keep it in mind, this diagram. Okay. And on the basis of this diagram only, we have to solve the questions. Okay. So one question and this solving. Okay. Based on this length concept. Okay. So first, I will convert higher to lower one. Okay. So first is there, I have to just convert. How I will just convert higher value to lower value. That means this is the higher one, kilometer is the higher one, and this is the lower one. Okay. I'm just writing over here. Higher to lower one. Okay. So when we are converting higher to lower, so how the value comes. Okay. Likewise, we have to write down 13 kilometer converted into meter. Okay. So higher value is kilometer and we have to convert it into meter one. Okay. So now we have to what we have to do, we have to just multiply with the 1000. So 13 into 1000. So that will be 13,000 meter. Okay. That will be 13 kilometers. Okay. Now next question it comes like convert 13 kilometer and 250 meter into meter. Okay. 13 kilometer and 250 meter into meter. Okay. So what we have to do? 13 kilometer means first we have, as 250 is in meters. Okay. We don't have to we don't have to change this one because already it is in meter. But 13 kilometer we have to change first in meter. So it is easy as 13 kilometers. So we can just write down formula. 1 kilometer equals to how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay. So just multiply 13 into 1000. It will be 13,000 meters. So just add that one. 13,000 plus 250 meter. Okay. So we will be getting 13,250 meter. Okay. So total. So that we have just converted. So this is the examples of conversion of higher terms into the lower terms. Okay. Now next we are coming to the lower to the higher value. Okay. How we are going to convert that one. Now second is from lower to higher. Now we are just moving from this lower to higher one, from mm to kilometer. Okay. So likewise, the first question it is coming. Convert 57 mm, that is millimeter, into how many centimeters? Okay. So we have to, what we have to do? Mm into centimeter. So we have to just divide it by 10. Okay. So when we just divided by 57 by 10, so we are getting what? 5.7 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, in the next question, if they are asking like that, convert 57 millimeter into centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So whenever you are just solving this question, so centimeter also we have to take get, and as well as millimeter. So just separate this 57, 50 millimeter plus 7 millimeter. Okay. Yeah. Now next it is coming 50 millimeters. So 1 centimeter, we can write formula over here. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Okay. So just divided 50 by 10, as when we are moving from lower to higher, so we just divided by 10. So that will be in centimeter plus 7 millimeter. So that will be 0, 0 cancel. That will be 5 centimeter plus 7 millimeter. Okay. So answer will be 5 centimeter 7 millimeter. Okay. Likewise, questions that we have to solve in our copy. Okay. So both way I have just taught you, like moving from higher to lower and from lower to higher one. So this is the very easy lesson of this class 4. Okay. And the easy way I have also explained with this diagram, and we have to keep this diagram in your mind so that you can solve this question very easily. Okay. Next, I'm just taking some exercise questions. Okay. Few examples I will be taking. So my practice time in one, they are asking first, convert into centimeter. Okay, the first question comes, convert 2 meter and 16 centimeter into centimeter. Okay, so as this is the term that is already here, so we don't have to convert this one. We have to just convert 2 meter into the centimeter. So it is moving from higher to the lower one. Okay, so 2 meter, as we know, 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Okay. So just you have to put 2 meter equals to 2 into 100. That will be 200 centimeter. Okay. Now 16 centimeter also we are having, so 200 centimeter plus 16 centimeter. Okay. That will be 260 centimeters. So answer we got. Okay. So likewise we have to solve the question. Okay. Next is also convert into the meter and centimeter. Okay. Next question is there, convert into meter and centimeter. Okay. 623 centimeter we are having, and that we have to convert into meter and centimeter. Okay. So we have to convert into meter and centimeter. So as we have known, 1 meter equals to how many? 100 centimeters. So just split this one, 623 centimeters. So that will be 600 centimeter plus 23 centimeters. Okay, we can do that like that. So as we know formula, we know like 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So just 100 divided by 600 divided by 100. So that will be into meter plus 23 centimeter. So 0, 0 will get cancel. 6 meter plus 23 centimeter. So answer will be 6 meter 23 centimeter. Okay. Now the next question is coming. Convert into the millimeter. Okay. Now next is convert into millimeter. Now next is convert into millimeter. Like we are having the 623 centimeter. Okay. In 623 centimeter, we are having 600 plus 23 centimeter. Okay. So just millimeter. How many millimeter we are having? 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? Okay. So just what we have to do? Six centimeter into millimeter. Okay. Likewise, so it is we are moving from higher to lower one. So we have to what do? We have to just multiply with the 10. 623 into 10. That will be 6,230 millimeter. Okay. Next, we are moving to the next conversion, that is convert into centimeter and millimeter. Okay, next we will be moving with the as the length concept is clear. Okay, so next we will be moving with the weight concept. Okay, so any like when we are just moving to the market and we are buying apple. Okay. Apple or just when they are giving like in kg, okay, or milligram. Generally, when we just move to shop and buy gold, so it is in generally in the milligram. Okay, so when we just buy apple, okay, so 1 kg of apple they are just giving. Okay, so some unit that we are using for the weighting system that are in kg, gram we are having. Okay, so we are having the milligram. Okay, that term we are using. And then kilogram. Okay, these three terms only we are using in this weight system. Okay, so everyone know in that is 1 kg equals to 1000. Okay, just multiply with the 1000, and in milligram, like in milligram from gram, so it will be having 1000. Okay. Okay, so likewise you have to just move. Okay, like it will be just divided by 1000 and it will be just divided by 1000. Okay, so we will solve some question based on this weight topic. Like we have to just convert 26 kg, okay, into the gram one. So just we have to just multiply 26 into 1000. So that will be 26,000 gram. Okay, so that will be in the gram. Clear? Conversion of higher unit to lower unit. Next, I will be taking an example from lower unit to higher unit. That is from gram to kg. Okay, so how we will just convert gram to kg one. Like if we are writing 3000 gram, convert into just in kg. So just what we have to do, we have to just divide it by 1000. So like 3 kg is an example. Similarly, we are having the capacity. As if I will explain this whole lesson, just I will move with the line by line. So it will be taking too much of time, as well as that capacity of video anyone can't watch. Okay, so I'm just explaining the basic concept in detail. Okay, next we are having the capacity that will be measured in liter. Liter, milliliter. Okay, so these are only the two basic unit that we are using in while taking a milk or oil. Okay, so that is measured in liter and milliliter. Okay, and we are not using the kiloliter. Okay, so we will not use that basic unit as a kiloliter. Okay, so when they are saying like that, where again we are having the same concept. The liter is there, then we are having the deciliter, then we are having the centiliter, then we are having the milliliter, and here we are having the decaliter, then we are having hectoliter, and then we are having the kiloliter. Also, so from kiloliter it will be just multiplied with the 100, and then here it will be just multiplied with the 1000. Okay, here also 1000. This we have to just move, so it will be just divided by 1000, and it is also just divided by 1000. Okay, so similar example, just convert 2 liter, kiloliter we are not using. Okay, just liter and milliliter. So just I will just rubbing this liter and milliliter. Okay, so just convert 2 liter into milliliter. Okay, so that means 2 will be multiplied by 1000. So that will be 2000 milliliter. Similarly, when we have to just convert 2 milliliter, okay, just convert it into liter. Okay, sorry, 2000 milliliter converted into liter. So that will be 2000 divided by what? 1000. So we will be getting as a 2 liter. Okay. So similar kind of example is solved in this textbook as well. Okay. But at last, okay, they are having the operations on measurement. So they are just adding the quantity. Okay, like addition we are doing similar like that, we have to add that quantity, okay, in one by one. Like one example they have given: David participate in a marathon. Okay, one example questions. Okay, they have just given problem based question. They have given David participate in a marathon race. On the first day he ran 23 kilometer 345 meter. Okay, first day 23 kilometer and 345 meter. Okay, and on the second day he ran 19 kilometer and 378 meter. Okay, so now what is the total distance that he ran? So just we have to convert into, either you can just convert into meter, either you can just convert into kilometer. But I will just take it into the meter one. Okay, so 23 kilometer, this is already in meter. Okay, so we don't have to change this one. 23 kilometer I have to convert. So 23 into 1000 plus 345. So that will be 23,000 plus 345. So total I will be getting 23,345 meter. Okay. Similarly, in this 19 kilometers, so 19 into 1000 plus 378. So I will be getting, that is 19,000 plus 378. So I will be getting 19,378 meter. So total we have to just add this one on the first day and on the second day. Just total distance ran. Okay, in meter. Okay, in meter. So it will be 23,345 plus 19,378. Okay. So just 8 and 5, it will be 13. So 3, 1 is carry. 7 and 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry. 3, 3, 6 and 7 it will be. And 9 and 3, 2 will be there. 1 will be carry, and it will be 4, 2, 7. 4, 2, 7, 2, 3. It will be in meters. So total distance he ran is 42,723 meter. Okay, in this way we have to solve this exercise. Okay, and if any problem you face in while solving this exercise, just message me in the below section. And if you have any doubt on this topic, regarding this topic, just message me. Okay, and thank you for watching my video. And next in the next session I will be explaining in detail of the next CBSE lessons in detail. And do watch my video regularly so that I can just do more interesting video on this topic of maths, so that you feel maths will be easy for you. And if you like my video, just like it, share it, and subscribe my video. Thank you.